Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a big box, a big heavy box from Kim over at Vintage Rose Creations. Kim and I buy from each other, we barter with each other, and I think she said there was some happy mail too, so I am excited to open this box. Trying to hide her address. So let's see what we have. Okay, let's move the box to the side some. Oh my heavens. I love her packaging. Hold on, let me get it all out of the box and we'll go from there, okay? Oh my heavens. Oh my heavens. She can pack a box. Okay, the box is empty. 2 wooden cigar boxes. I think this is part of our barter. Very deep, very nice for what I wanted them for. And let's start with this package, shall we? Let me move it this way since the light's on this side. Okay, this is flower making bundle. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'll iron this up. Oh boy. I think I did buy this one, I'm not sure. Or bartered it. I don't know. Oh wow. I love this fabric. This is going to go into boys' quilt. This isn't going into flower making. Oh goodness. Look at this. Love it. Wow. There's a lot of this when it's folded over, guys. How amazing is that? Love it. And this one is folded over too, and I even love it. I don't think I'll put the flowers in the boys' quilts. And then you get a bag full of goodies. And she has some serious goodies. Oh, we got some little flowers. There's some little white beads in there. Oh, look at these buttons. Aren't they beautiful? There's a lot of them in here, too. So, if you see Kim selling a flower making kit, this is it right here. And her channel is Vintage Rose Creations by Kim. I love these buttons. My husband moved my webcam up some today so I can get the wedding dresses under it, so I'm going to have to hold things up some. This is cool. I like this kit very much, Kim. I really do. You never fail to please. So we have this kit. It's flower making. And I love when I find other crafters that are willing to barter, because, you know, it's a win-win. We both can get things we want or need for projects we want to do. And, you know, it's basically like a layaway program. You don't have to pay a lot. Okay, this is Navy and Rose Victorian kit. And she had already happy mailed me some of this fabric which I absolutely love. And I'm thinking of making a lap robe quilt with this and the other piece, because I do believe there is enough here, because it's folded several times. Yeah, I think I do have enough between these two pieces to do a lap robe quilt, which I do them and donate them to the nursing home at Christmas, so that people that don't have any family left or anybody here still get a little something. Oh, I like this too. This is beautiful. It's kind of like a dusty rose color. This is great. Some white lace with embroidery on it. This is great, and it's folded over, so it goes on forever and ever. I love this. I don't know why, but I love this. I think I'm gonna make a banner out of these. I love this. Ooh, look at this beautiful trim. And that's navy trim. Gorgeous, and there's a lot of it in here. And then another goodie bag. I see some little tiny doilies. There is, of course, little buttons, and oh my goodness, all kinds of little doilies in here. Little flowers, little bows, bigger bows, the butterflies. You can see some snippets coming soon. And I love these little doilies. I use these things to death. I can't get enough of these. So this is her, was it Victorian Rose kit? And check her channel. Navy and Rose Victorian kit. So you can order these from Kim as well. And none of her kits are very expensive. Let's see. Number 3. What's behind door number 3? Navy and a lime kit. Ooh. I like how she packages everything. I'm sorry, Kim, I don't think I packaged your stuff as well. How cool is this? You get the green, several pieces. I love this. I have this in 3 shades of pink, but I just love this ribbon. 2 big pieces of that. Some blue ribbon, a lot of that. A lot of the white sequins. And then you have these. Is this 2? No, this is 1 quilt. This is 1 large quilted piece. And I mean, it is big. It looks like it's about, it is a yard long. So, this is gorgeous. This will make a perfect size blanket for little Anthony. Perfect. But then again, I could put some pockets on it and make a really cute wall hanger. We'll see what direction this one goes. I'm not much of a lime person, but with this blue, I really like it. It looks good together, so there is that one. And then the very last one in her Jujuna Flippy box is fabrics. Oh man, I like this color. Whoa, there's a lot of fabric here. There is a ton of fabric here. And living in Florida, I look for the lighter fabrics. This is folded 4 times, guys. This is a lie. But I look for lighter fabrics to make lap robes for the patients at the nursing home. So, this is perfect. Oh. 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 Can you guys see this? I love it. It's got these little sequins on it, all over it. So I think this might be Sari, but I'm not sure. I'd have to ask her. Heavens to Betsy, there is a lot of it too. Wow. They even look good together. I love them. Love them, love them. And let's see. My goodness. You know, if it's pink roses, I love it automatically. And it is folded over, so there is a lot of it here. I love this. I would like to have enough of this to do a quilt with that shade of blue of the other square. That would be beautiful. I love it. I really love these 2 colors though. I love this too, and there is a lot of it. It's folded 4 times, so wow, I love it. Okay, I have to learn another word. I keep saying I love it, I love it. But I can envision projects to make with it when I'm looking at it. And these are her quilt squares, and I did buy several of these from her because I wanted to incorporate them in the quilts that I'm already making. Aren't they adorable? I mean, these are great. This is 1, 2, 3 of these. I don't know why I didn't get 4. I thought I did. I have to see if she has another one. So I can have it for the center. Or I could block it like so. But I thought what I would do is I'm going to do like a friendship quilt, and when people are selling quilt blocks, I'll buy from them, or if somebody wants to send me a quilt block, I'll incorporate it into it. But I just love it. So, this is box 1 from Miss Kim. She said there's 2, but only 1 came today, so we'll wait for the other one to come hopefully tomorrow. And guys, you can't go wrong on her quality or quantity on her kits. I mean, look how much is here. And it is folded 4 times. And these quilt squares, I swear, I just absolutely love these. Absolutely love them. So, not sure if I'm going to do a wall hanging with these yet, or how I'm going to incorporate these. I'm getting people to make pendants for a banner, just like Kim is, and send them to me as well, so that I can put them all the way around the ceiling in my craft room. Well, you know, where the wall meets the ceiling. And then I have pieces of other people's artwork in my craft room. So, yeah, this is it. I have started using my Cricut. I have made some shirts with my craft name on them. And, I'm thinking of doing, I have some, craft saying tote bags that have sayings about crafting on the front. And I'm thinking about offering those up with people's shop names on the other side. So if anyone is interested, let me know. So that's it for this box, and I love it. Every piece in it. Thank you, Miss Kim. And like I said, some of this is Happy Mail, some of this I bought, some of this we bartered. So I don't know which is which. I do know I bought these because I love them. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.